Having trouble because your pool heater pilot light won't stay lit? That's super annoying, but you can totally fix it with some simple steps that don't need a pro every time. So, first off, check the pilot assembly. It can get all gunked up with dirt and debris, which messes with the flame staying lit. Grab a soft brush or compressed air and give it a good clean. Next, look at the thermocouple. This little sensor tells your heater when the pilot light is on. If it's old or faulty, it won't sense the flame and will shut off the gas. You can replace it pretty easily by turning off the gas, unscrewing the old one, and screwing in a new one. Also, make sure the gas valve is fully open and there's enough gas pressure coming through. Sometimes, low gas flow or a partially closed valve causes the flame to go out. Don't forget to check if the pilot flame is steady and blue. Yellow or flickering flames mean something's off. If you smell gas or feel unsure, always call a professional instead of risking it. Lastly, keep your heater covered when not in use to avoid dirt buildup that can mess with your pilot light. One of the biggest issues with pool heater pilot lights not staying lit is a dirty or clogged pilot assembly. Cleaning it often solves the problem. Another common mistake is ignoring a faulty thermocouple. Replacing this part usually gets your heater running again without drama. Lastly, people sometimes overlook gas valve problems. Make sure it's fully open and gas pressure is right, because low pressure can kill your pilot light fast. BigHomeProjects.com is great if you want to skip the headache of finding reliable local contractors for your pool heater or other home projects. It helps homeowners connect with trusted pros while giving contractors an easy way to get more work without the usual hassle.